The topic that we will present is industrial water pollution, the occurrence, and the prevention. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ilana binti Muhammad Shukri and I'm from RS1252B, and I will present about the definition of the industrial water pollution. What means of the industrial water pollution? The definition is it will occur when harmful substance, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminates a stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer, or other body of water regarding water quality and rendering it toxic to human or the environment.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nada binti Muhammad Nazri. I am from RS125MB and I am going to explain the occurrence of water pollution. For example, the occurrence of water pollution first is fertilizers and pesticides. Fertilizers and pesticides can contaminate soils, water, turf and other vegetations. It can be toxic to a host of other organisms including birds, fish, beneficial insects and non-target plants. Second is fossil fuels. Fossil fuels is made from decomposing plants and animals. The source including soil, oil and natural gas, whereas it releases a large amount of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, into the air. Third is wastewater sewage. Wastewater sewage is come from domestic activities such as houses, schools, public toilets and more. It's released into the sea where causes of health-related issues in humans and animals. Fourth is chemical solvent. Chemical solvent include water, ethanol, methanol and acetone. These chemical solvent can putting in danger of water quality and entire ecosystem. For heavy metals such as lead, copper and mercury, it can be toxic to aquatic life forms, whereas it can causing infertility and death. Also can harm the brain system, kidneys and other organs to people. For sandpaper, it contains solid nutrients, dissolved organic matter and inorganic compounds. It can causes or exacerbates eutrophications of freshwater bodies such as lakes and rivers.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nuzura binti Hamizah from class RS1252B and I will present about the prevention of water pollution. The ways to preventing water pollution are blow a sweet fertilizer onto the grass if it gets onto paved areas. Next, do not put fertilizer on the grass right before it rains, because the chemical will wash into storm drains and waterways. Next, use less plastic because it is difficult to break down plastic if it produced. If you can use a few plastic as possible, you are helping environment. Other than that, you need to be careful about what you throw down into your sinks or toilet. Next, don't throw paints, oil or other form of litter into the drains. Then lastly, don't throw litter into rivers, lakes or ocean. Why we need to prevent water pollution? Preventing water pollution and conserving water are important to ensure a continuing abundance of water that is safe to use for ourselves and future generations. Water pollution is any human-caused contamination of water that reduces its usefulness to human and other organisms in nature. What will happen if we don't prevent water pollution? Water pollution can cause water become toxic to human and environment. Water is an essential resource of all life on Earth. If a water source becomes contaminated due to pollution, it can lead to health issues in humans such as cancer or cardiovascular conditions. Marine wildlife such as seabirds, whales, fish and turtles mistake plastic waste for prey. Most then die of starvation as their stomach become filled with plastic. They also suffer from dehydration infection, reduced ability to swim, and internal injuries.